Welcome back to our channel, everybody, where we post tutorial videos on app and many more other stuff like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. But if you want to get notified once we post new video, then stay tuned to our channel one step by hitting that like and subscribe button. Now let's move on with today's video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can edit a TikTok video after posting. So I'm going to be clear with you guys. Once you post a video on TikTok, you can't edit it. I'm being clear. Like, you can watch whichever video on YouTube you want. They're gonna do this, do that. But the end result is you cannot edit a video once you post on TikTok because TikTok has not provided you that facility. But there's a way through which you guys can kind of do that. And I'm gonna be showing you guys that trick, alright? But before that, if you guys want to follow any other YouTubers' advice where they say use this app and enter your TikTok's info over here, please do not do that. They are basically trying to steal our information. A lot of people's account has been hacked doing that. So don't enter your information like a login detail in any website, alright? They might steal it. So this is just a warning from me to you guys. So the way you can do it is click on the video which you want to edit. And after you click on it, you need to click on this 3-line at the side. And over here, you need to click on save video. What this is going to do is this is basically going to, download your video. After your video is downloaded, you can click on the 3 dot and you can, scroll at the side over here and click on delete. Once you delete your video, just click on delete. Your video is going to be deleted. Once you delete your video, basically you want to click on versus post. Once you click on post, click on the upload button at the side. Over here, you can see your video which you just recently, downloaded, which is like the last video. So you can click on it. And once you click on it, click on next. Now once you're in this step, you can add whichever description you want or whichever hashtag you want over here. And basically after you do that, you can re-upload your video again by clicking on post and your video will be re-uploaded.
How middle class.
So that's how you guys can edit your video. It's not like edit, but this is the only way which currently works in TikTok. Alright, so hope you guys understand. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.